My name is Christopher Mahadeo, with PhD candidate, Department of Mathematics and Statistics, and the Quanta Research Center. Space might be the final frontier, but determining the shape of the universe is a current research frontier for many mathematicians and physicists. A conservative estimate from string theory suggests there are about 10 to the 500 possible shapes for the universe. To give you some context on the size of this number, 10 to the 15 is the number of seconds since the Big Bang. 10 to the 24 is the number of stars in the universe, and 10 to the 82 is the number of atoms in the universe. So 10 to the 500 is some unfathomably large number. How can we possibly begin to guess the shape of the universe? We certainly cannot do it one at a time. We need to devise a strategy. Guess Who, or Guess Who style games, are children's games, where one needs to determine which of the characters is the mystery character, usually done by a series of yes or no questions. Unlike the shape of the universe, there's a very reasonable number of characters in the game, or not? We could easily guess one at a time. Is it Basil? Is it Susan? To get to the mystery character. But is that optimal? If we instead appeal to common characteristics shared amongst the characters, we could rule out multiple characters with a single question. Does the mystery character wear glasses? Is the mystery character a woman? Notably, a single characteristic might not be enough to get exactly to the mystery character. If the mystery character did in fact wear glasses, we would have narrowed down to 7. Nonetheless, this will strategically narrow things down until we can find the mystery character. Now, shapes in mathematics also have characteristics. These are numbers that we assign to the shapes. The interpretation of some are quite easy, while others are exceedingly difficult. But two that we might all be familiar with are the dimension and genus, whether or not we use those names on a regular basis. Right? We know that a line, a square, and a cube are different. They have different dimensions, 1, 2, and 3. But what about the donut and the pretzel? They are both three-dimensional baked goods. How do we tell them apart mathematically? Well, we might appeal to the genus, the number of holes. We all know that a donut has 1 hole and a pretzel has 3. So what does this mean for the shape of the universe and these 10 to the 500 possibilities? Well, physicists and mathematicians, myself included, are out there studying and calculating the various characteristics of the universe. With this collection of numbers in hand, we can apply our Guess Who strategy and rule out large collections of shapes at once. Slowly, this will whittle down this unfathomable number, and we'll figure out the shape of the universe. Thank you.